All right, we are once again at Lake Forest College, this time at Hotchkiss Hall. This is a really cool looking building, and it's got a neat elevator inside of it. Yes, it was originally built as the gymnasium in 1890, pretty old. This campus actually has a lot of really old buildings on it. This one says 93. Maybe they renovated it then. Yeah, it looks a bit newer on the inside. As you can see. It's Dover. It's from 1987, I reckon. Still got those safety edges. Quite the bells. This might actually... Oh, we're going down. This might be an automatic, in all honesty. But I've never seen them use armor fixtures. That's the only thing. I honestly think this might just be an armor. Telephone.
We got two outside. I think about like two inside now.
Okay, that's
3?
No, two.
Oh, 2. I'm just filming for a project.
Okay.
Oh, this must be new. And one more time, we'll get those bells. Where's the call? There it is. Let's see it. That's neat. Anyway, that's all.